Hello kids, how are you today? Today I am going to teach you a new lesson of our standard 3 and our subject is English. Lesson number is 7. So the name of the lesson is The Hungry Emperor. What is the name? The Hungry Emperor. Hungry means to feel hungry means to भूख लगना हमको, that is called hungry. We feel like that we want to eat something, that is called hungry. Emperor means king. Emperor means a king, a ruler who is ruling a kingdom. एक person जो एक kingdom को rule करता है, he is known as the emperor. And here is the story about the emperor who was very hungry. हमारा जो story है वो एक emperor के बारे में है, who was very hungry. उसको बहुत ज्यादा भूख लगती थी. He always want to eat and eat. So the people who were living in his palace was very worried. Palace मतलब उसका जो place था जहाँ पे राजा रहता था उसको what we call it a palace. So the people living in his palace they were very worried. उनको बहुत ज्यादा उसकी चिंता होती थी. Why? Because every time he wants to eat different kind of food. उसको हमेशा अलग अलग तरीके के food खाने होते थे. उसको हमेशा भूख ही लगती रहती थी. He always feel very hungry. Let's get started towards our story. A long time ago, बहुत पुराने टाइम की बात है. There was an emperor of China. The emperor belonged to China. So first of all, we are going to write the spelling of emperor. H-A-R-D hard, W-O-R-D-S. The first spelling that we are going to write is of emperor. E-M-P-E-R-O-R. How emperor used to feel? He used to feel hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Moving on to number 3. He used to live in a palace. P-A-L-A-C-E. And he was the emperor of China. Let's get started. Once upon a time, there was an emperor who lived in China. He used to rule at China. वो चाइना का राजा था. He used to rule China and who liked to eat different kinds of food. Who was fond of eating. Fond of eating मतलब जिसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है अलग अलग तरीके के डिशेस को eat करना. He fond of eating different kinds of food. He always demanded new and tasty food. वो हमेशा जो उसके पैलेस में जो उनका खाना बनाने वाला होता था उसको always बोलते थे that he wants new kinds of dishes. उसको हमेशा अलग अलग और नई नई डिशेस खाने के लिए चाहिए होती थी. Sometimes he behaved like a child, demanded new variety of food. Sometimes कभी कभार वो ऐसा करता था. He used to behave like a child. वो कभी कभी एक बच्चे की तरह बिहेव करता था. How? As he always used to say that I want this food, I want this food. As you are there, you are small, so you sometimes you feel you like to eat pizza, sometimes you like to eat ice cream, sometimes you like to eat cake. अलग अलग different kind of variety of foods you want to eat. Sometimes noodles. Sometimes you say to eat to mama that I want to eat ice cream only. In the ice cream, the specific flavors that you like, you used to say that I want to eat that only. So that is the feeling that a child is having as you are a child. But over here, he was a big emperor who used to rule a palace. Emperor के ऊपर पूरा palace और पूरे kingdom का responsibility होता है. He have to take care of his people who are living in his kingdom. उसके kingdom में जो भी people रहते हैं, emperor is the person who used to take care of them. Emperor एक person है जो उन सबका ध्यान रखता है. He have the responsibility on his shoulders. उसके shoulders पे वो सारा responsibility होता है. Over here in a lesson, he was having the responsibility, but what he have to do? He have to take care of the people, but he was fond of eating different kinds of food. वो अलग अलग तरीके के food खाने का बहुत शौकीन था. He want to eat tasty food, so he always demanded to the person who used to cook the food in his palace, I want this food, I want this food. But sometimes he used to behave like a child. Sometimes वो एक बच्चे की तरह behave करता था. That he used to demand a variety of food. Variety मतलब बहुत बहुत अलग kinds of food. So we are going to write the spelling of demanded. D-E-M-A-N-D-E-D. What did he demanded? variety, variety. He demanded variety of food for eating. So the people living in his palace, they got worried. Means the courtiers. Who were the people they were worried? They were the courtiers. So first we'll write the spelling of courtier, then I'll let you know what do you mean by the courtiers. 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 Courtiers were much worried for of his nature, especially the cook. Courtiers were very worried. So first of all, the spelling of WORRIED. And nature. Nature means our behavior. Let's come back. Then, first of all, courtiers. Courtiers are the persons who used to work in the palace of a emperor. जो emperor के palace में उसके जो workers होते हैं, they are known as the courtiers. Who have the responsibility of king? King have the responsibility of whole of the kingdom, but courtiers have the responsibility to take care of king. Courtiers जो होते हैं उनकी responsibility क्या होती है? King का ध्यान रखना. And whatever king used to say, they have to follow. So the people who were living, the courtiers of his palace, got worried. Why they got worried? Worried means चिंता करना. Why they got worried? Because king used to ask for different kind of food. जो emperor था वो अलग अलग variety of food मांगता था. So the cook means a person who used to cook food for you. Person जो आपके लिए food बनाता है, he is known as the cook. So he got worried, as well as the courtiers of the king's palace, they also got worried. Emperor के palace में जो people रहते थे उनको भी चिंता होने लगी थी, as well as the cook, because he have to make the food or daily different kind of foods how he could make. So courtiers were worried, but especially the cook was very worried. Courtiers को तो चिंता हो रही थी, but उसके साथ जो उनके वहां पे जो cook था जिसको खाना बनाना था उसको बहुत ज्यादा चिंता हो रही थी, because he was thinking how I am going to make daily different kind of foods. Daily में अलग अलग तरीके का food कैसे बनाऊं king के लिए. Every time he used to ask bring food. Or once he have eaten the food, again he feels hungry. King, once he had a food, उसने एक बार खाना खा लिया. After few time, again he used to say that I am again hungry. Bring some food for me to eat. Now he tried hard the emperor by serving different kinds of food of dishes, but the emperor was never satisfied. So he sent the cook away. Now, as emperor used to ask cook again and again that bring food for me, bring tasty food for me. Then what cook used to do? Cook used to prepare tasty food for him, but he got very tired. Tired means thak jana. Once he cooked food, he served to the king. Again he cooked, again served, again and again. This process was going on. Again and again, cook used to ask for different kinds of food, and cook used to serve him. But cooking lots of food again and again and again and again, so the cook got very tired of cooking different kinds of dishes. But the emperor was never satisfied. But जो emperor था उसको satisfaction नहीं होता था. He never felt कि नहीं अब मेरा पेट भर गया, मुझको खाना नहीं खाना है. He never feel like this. He was never satisfied. So the spelling of satisfied is SATISFIED. The emperor was never satisfied. जो emperor था वो कभी भी satisfied नहीं हो पा रहा था. Why? Because he always used to say that I want different kind of food. So what he did? He sent his cook away from there. उसने cook को अब वहां से निकाल दिया. Many cook came to please the emperor by their food, but all were sent sooner or later. बहुत सारे cooks आए. They came, make the food for king, and emperor used to eat. वो emperor के लिए food बनाते थे. Emperor used to eat, but sooner or later, थोड़ी देर बाद या जल्दी, उनको जल्दी या फिर बाद में sooner or later they have sent back. वो थोड़ा टाइम रुकते थे. They used to prepare food for the king, and after few times they have to send back. उनको भेज देना पड़ता था. Why? Because emperor's hunger was not satisfied. Emperor की जो भूख थी वो खत्म नहीं हो रही थी. तो people who used to cook food for him, they were getting tired. जो cook उसके लिए खाना बना रहे थे वो अलग अलग variety का food dishes बना के थक गए थे, they got very much tired, but king's hunger was not being satisfied. पर king का जो hunger था वो satisfactory नहीं था. He was not getting satisfied by the food. He again and again used to ask to cook to prepare different kind of food. They were preparing also, but he was not satisfied. So many cook came over there in the palace. They cooked food, served the food to the king, but after few times or after few times later, they have been sent away from the palace. उनको palace से भेज दिया जा रहा था. Why? Just because they could not fill up the hunger of the emperor. उनको क्यों निकाल दिया जा रहा था? क्योंकि वो emperor का जो भूख था उसको खत्म नहीं कर पा रहे. Now, the emperor was very sad. One day he was walking in his garden. A man came up him and said, now, when again and again cook were coming and again they have to move away. Why? Because they could not fill up his वो हंगरनेस, वो उसकी जो भूख थे वो मिटा नहीं पा रहे थे. सो अगेन व्हेन कुक वाज गोइंग बैक and coming here, serving food to him, making tasty food, again they have to leave the palace. Then because of all these things, the king also felt very sad. The emperor was feeling very sad. One day when he was walking in his garden, a man came up and said, one day when he was moving in his garden, एक दिन जब वो अपने garden में घूम रहा था, a man came over there and he stood there. एक man आया और वो वहां पर आके खड़ा हो गया. He stood near the emperor and said, your majesty, I have come to offer you my service as a cook. And what he said, your majesty, राजा मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे and I am here to cook tasty food for you as a cook. I am over here as a cook and I am going to prepare tasty food for you. Then what is, the emperor was very happy. Why emperor was very happy? Because he loved to eat tasty food. And when so many cooks leave away from the palace of the emperor, जब बहुत सारे कुक उसके पैलेस को छोड़ के चले जा रहे थे, now a new cook was there. अब वहां पे एक नया कुक आ गया था. And he said to his king, your majesty, मतलब राजा को जब हम बोलते हैं जी महाराज, that is known as the your majesty. Then when he said that I am here to serve you as a cook, मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ और मैं आपको tasty food खिलाऊंगा, then at that time king felt very happy. King बहुत ज्यादा खुश हो गया. Then he asked the stranger, उसने जिस आदमी को पहचान, strange means a person whom you don't know, stranger over here. So he asked the stranger, do you know what is the best and the tastiest food in the world? He asked to the cook that, do you know, क्या आपको पता है कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा टेस्टी फूड क्या है? Then the new cook said, yes your majesty, I know, मुझको पता है. And the tasty food is the onion biscuit noodle soup. अनियन के जो बिस्किट्स हैं उसका जो नूडल सूप बनता है, that is the most tastiest food in the world. So first of all we are going to write the spelling of tastiest, majesty and the noodle soup. So number 11 is the spelling of majesty, M-A-J-E-S-T-Y. Then number 12 is spelling of N-O-O-D-L-E, noodle. And then number 13 is soup, S-O-U-P. What he said? Yes, I know the tastiest thing. That what is the tastiest thing in the world? That is the onion biscuit noodle soup. What onion, you know, onion we all used to eat. That is the onion. Soup means that is the hot water. Then so many vegetables are inside. So many sauces are inside. Tomato soup you must be drinking at your house. So over here it is an onion biscuit soup, means biscuits are made of onion and that is being put inside the soup. Soup बनाया जाता है but it is being prepared with the onion biscuits. Onion के जो biscuits हैं उनको soup के अंदर डाला जाता है, as well as the noodles are there. Noodles is the well known thing to all of you. Noodles तो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से सबको पता होगा. We love to eat noodles, whether it is Maggi, whether it is Yippee noodles or whether they are the other noodles. So here is the soup of onion biscuit noodle soup. Who said this thing? This thing was said by the cook. And who was that cook? That was the new cook who came in front of the emperor when he was walking in his garden very sad. He was feeling very sad and he was walking in his garden very sadly that what I am going to do. Why he was feeling like very sad? Because no one was over there to fulfill his hungerness. कोई भी उसके kingdom में ऐसा नहीं था जो उसकी hungerness को fulfill कर पा रहा था. That's why he was feeling very sad. And when he was feeling very sad, at the moment only this cook came over there and he told him that I am over here just to serve you as a new cook. मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ और मैं आपको सर्व करूंगा as a new cook. And who is cook? Cook is the person who used to cook tasty food for us. Then what was the first question that the king asked? The emperor asked him that, do you know what is the tasty food in the world? हमारे world में सबसे ज़्यादा tasty food क्या है? The tastiest one. So what he replied? He said, yes, my lord, I know what is the tastiest food. Spelling of tastiest, T-A-S-T-I-E-S-T. He said, yes, my lord, I know which is the tastiest food in the world, and that is the onion biscuit soup. And I know how to make that. That is the specialty in me, that I make very nice onion tasty soup of noodles. Onion biscuit soup of noodles, and I know how to make it because I'm the perfect one over here to make that soup, and that will going to fulfill your hungerness. उससे आपका जो hungerness है वो fulfill हो जाएगा. Over here first session gets over of our lesson. Second session we are going to continue in the next part. So what we are going to do? First we are going to read all these hard words twice, then we are going to just revise the lesson again. So let's get started. We are going to start from number 1. Number 1 is emperor. E-M-P-E-R-O-R. Again I'm speaking. E-M-P-E-R-O-R. Emperor. Emperor is a person who is a ruler who have to take care of his kingdom. Emperor एक राजा होता है जिसको अपने राज्य का ध्यान रखना होता है. Moving on to number 2 is hungry. Hungry means भूख लगना, to feel that I want to eat something in our tummies. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Who was feeling hungry? The emperor used to feel hungry always. His hunger was never ended. उसकी जो भूख थी वो कभी खत्म नहीं हो रही थी. Now moving on to number 3 is P-A-L-A-C-E, palace. P-A-L-A-C-E, palace. Palace is the place where king used to live. King, emperor, ruler, they all used to live at a palace. Moving on to number 4, C-H-I-N-A. C-H-I-N-A. Do you know China is our neighboring country? China जो है हमारी neighboring country. Neighboring means I told you पड़ोसी, जो हमारे house के बाजू में रहते हैं. China is also our neighboring country. Neighboring मतलब हमारे पास ही, इंडिया के पास में जो दूसरी country है, that is a China. Now the emperor was ruling China. Emperor कहाँ का राजा था? He was the emperor of China. Emperor is bigger than the king. Emperor जो होता है उसका जो kingdom होता है वो king से भी बड़ा होता है. That's why he is known as the emperor. Now D-E-M-A-N-D-E-D, demanded. D-E-M-A-N-D-E-D, demanded means to say for anything again and again. You want anything and you are asking for that thing again and again. So that is called demanded. Who used to demand? The emperor used to demand for tasty food again and again from their cook. V-A-R-I-E-T-Y, variety. V-A-R-I-T-Y, variety means different kinds of food. Say as pizza is there, pav bhaji is there, noodles are there, soup is there, Punjabi dishes are there, Gujarati dishes are there. That are the variety of food. So king used to demand different kinds of variety of food from his cook. C-O-U-R-T-I-E-R-S, courtiers. C-O-U-R-T-I-E-R-S, courtiers. Courtiers are the persons who used to work in emperor's kingdom. Emperor's के kingdom में, के palace में जो people work करते हैं, they are known as the courtiers. The courtiers were also worried as the cook was worried. Cook को चिंता थी same. The courtiers were also worried because of the hungerness of the emperor. Now moving on to number 8. WORRIED, worried. Who were worried? Cook, and the courtiers were worried because of emperor. WORRIED, worried. WORRIED. Number 9, NATURE, nature. Over here, nature means our behavior. Otherwise, nature means our environment is our nature. But in our lesson over here, nature means the behavior of the emperor. Emperor का जो behavior था. And how was his behavior? His behavior sometimes became as a child used to behave. उसका behavior sometimes एक child की तरह हो जाता था. Why? Because he used to ask for different kinds of food as a child used to do. Now moving on to number 11 is majesty. MAJE. Wait, moving on to number 10. SATISFIED, satisfied. SATISFIED, satisfied. Satisfied means satisfaction होना. That in our story, once you ate the food and you say, no, now my tummy is full, I don't want to eat any more. But over here, the emperor was never satisfied from his food. जो emperor था, वो अपने खाने से कभी भी satisfied नहीं था. Number 11 is majesty. 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 Majesty means as you praise your king. अपने king को, अपने emperor को आप praise करते हैं, that is called majesty. So the people of the kingdom, they used to praise their emperor like this, and they used to say, Ji Maharaj. Wo emperor is saying something to them, so in return what they used to say, Ji Maharaj. That is known as in English, your majesty. MAJESTY. Moving on to number 12 is NOODLE. We have to write S also. That was the noodles soup. NOODLES, noodles. Maggi noodles, you can say Yippee noodles. Or if you move to the hotel and drink the soup, or mother is preparing soup at the house, so sometimes if she puts the noodles inside the soup, so that soup is known as the noodle soups. NOODLES, that noodles. SOUP, soup. SOUP, soup. TASTIEST. TASTIEST, tastiest. Tastiest means the thing you like the most, the food you like the most. Food जो आपको खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and you know that this is the best food, so you know the taste of the also of that food. If you are eating that food in different places and you know the taste of the food, so you can say the food I have eaten at that place, that was the tastiest food over there. So the tastiest food for the emperor was nothing. Why? Because his hungerness was not having any end. उसकी जो भूख थी उसका कोई भी end नहीं था. So that's why he was not having any of the tastiest food. But when the new cook came to his palace, when he was roaming in the garden, he told him that, Your Majesty, I am here to serve you as a cook. Then what emperor asked him? Emperor asked him, do you know the tastiest food? आपको पता है कि यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा tasty food कौन सा होता है? Then what he replied? Yes, I know the tastiest food. That is the onion biscuit noodle soup. Why he was saying that is the tastiest food? Because he know the best to make that food. उसको वो food अच्छे से बनाना आता है. Same as your mother is cooking food at house, so she knows the best food she used to make. Rather than mother, whatever food the mother is making, that is the tastiest food. मम्मी जो भी खाना बनाती है वो tasty ही होता है. But the thing you like the most, you know that mother can make this food very tasty. Same, the cook, the person who used to cook the food, he know the thing that which is the tastiest food that he can make. कुक को पता ही होता है कि कौन सा फूड है जो बहुत टेस्टी है, because he is master in that thing. वो खुद उस चीज में master है. Over here, first session gets over. Let's revise the lesson again. The name of the lesson is The Hunger Emperor. The Hunger Emperor means एक भूखा राजा, एक राजा जिसको हमेशा बहुत ज्यादा भूख लगती रहती थी। एंड he was ruling a place and it was China. He was the emperor of China and the cook of his palace was very worried. उसके जो पैलेस के कुक थे they were very worried. Why? Because the hungerness of emperor never gets ended. emperor का जो भूख था वो खत्म नहीं हो रहा था. He always used to say that I want to eat, eat and eat. And the people living in his palace were so much worried. उसके पैलेस में जो भी पीपल रह रहे थे they were so much worried. Why they were worried? Because they could not fulfill his hungerness. उसकी जो भूख थी वो उसको मिटा नहीं पा रहे थे. How they could not fulfill up? Because as he used to eat any food, again he used to say I am hungry. Again when he eats the food, again he used to say I am very hungry. Why? Because he was not satisfied. वो satisfied नहीं हो पा रहा था. And what he used to do, he used to say to the people of his palace, cook and the courtiers. उसके पैलेस में जो कुक और जो courtiers रहते थे वो उसको हमेशा बोलता था कि once he ate the food, again he used to say I want to eat. Again he eats the food, again he used to say I want to eat food. So his hungerness was not getting fulfilled. उसकी जो भूख थी वो पूरी नहीं हो पा रही थी. Then the people were getting very worried. Courtiers and the cook, वो दोनों people जो थे वो बहुत ज्यादा परेशान हो जा रहे थे. Because sometimes he used to demand for his food as a child. कभी कभार तो एक छोटे बच्चे की तरह वो फूड का डिमांड करता था. Like a child used to say, अब ये खाना है, अब ये खाना है, अब ये खाना है. So like this the emperor used to say. So the people were getting very worried. कुक को बहुत चिंता होने लगी. He served him so many kinds of different foods. उसने उसको बहुत different kind का dishes food serve करा. But that could not fulfill his hungerness. उसकी वजह से उसका भूख मिट नहीं पा रहा था. So the cook got very much worried. Then what the king do? The emperor asked him to make new kinds of food. But if he was not satisfied, the emperor's tummy was not satisfied, then what he did? He sent away the cook from there. उसने उस cook को वहां से निकाल दिया था. Then what happened? Again and again new cook used to come over there. वहां पे बार बार नए नए cooks आते थे. They used to prepare tasty food. But still what they used to do? Sooner or later, थोड़ा टाइम वो रुकते थे और थोड़ा टाइम के बाद वो चले जाते थे. कुछ जल्दी चले जाते थे और कुछ बाद में चले जाते. But finally they had to leave away from there. Why? Because their food could not fulfill the hungerness of the emperor. Emperor never gets satisfied from the food that he was eating. वो जो food खा रहा था वो उससे satisfied नहीं हो पा रहा था. So that's why what he used to do, he used to send the cooks away from there. वो cook को थोड़ा टाइम रखता, वो उसको सर्व करते और फिर उसको जाने देता. Just because of his hungerness, he was also worried. The emperor who wants to eat again and again, जिसका hunger fulfill नहीं हो पा रहा था, he was also worried. उसको भी चिंता होता था कि क्यों मेरा hungerness जो है वो fulfill नहीं हो पा रहा है. So he also feel very sad. उसको भी बहुत sad feel होता था. So what he used to do one day when he was roaming in his garden, king's palace is very big. King का जो palace होता है वो बहुत बड़ा होता है. So one day when he was roaming in his palace, a cook came. Again a stranger, एक unknown person उसके पास आके उसको बोलता है, Your Majesty, I am your new cook. मैं आपको as a new cook serve करना चाहता हूँ. So what he said, okay, you can serve me, but first of all you have to tell me that which is the tastiest food in this whole world. आप मुझे serve करिए, but first tell me the tastiest food in the वर्ल्ड. और मुझे सबसे पहले बताइए कि वर्ल्ड में सबसे टेस्टीएस्ट फूड क्या होता है. देन व्हाट ही सेड, ही वाज मास्टर इन मेकिंग द सूप ऑफ अनियन बिस्किट नूडल्स. अनियन बिस्किट नूडल्स का सूप बनाने में वो एकदम मास्टर था. दैट्स व्हाई ही टोल्ड हिम दैट आई एम द master cook and I can make the tastiest food, and that is the tastiest food in the world. The food I am making, onion biscuit noodle soup, that is the tastiest food in the world. Next session we are going to continue in our next session. So just have a look in our adverts again and then the session will get over. Number one, emperor. Number one, emperor. Moving on to number two, hungry. Number two, hungry. Moving on to number three, palace. Emperor, hungry. Number three, palace. Four, China. Number five, demanded. Number 6, variety. Number 7, courtiers. Number 8, worried. Number 9, nature. Number 10, satisfied. Number 9, 11, majesty. Majesty, I told you, when you praise your emperor, then you say your majesty. Number 12, noodles. It was onion, biscuits, noodles, soup. Number 13, soup. Number 14, tastiest means the thing you like the most. वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा tasty लगती है. As we like to eat pizza, so that is the tastiest food for us. Your work is what? That you have to go through the lesson, read the lesson. It's lesson number 7 of your textbooks, page number 45. You have to go through the lesson, read word to word in your lesson. These hard words are the important to read. So you have to go through your lesson and read each and every word of the lesson. Thank you.